Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Shopify and Hostinger. If you're planning to build a website or start selling online, this is one of the comparisons that you really need to understand before spending your money. Both platforms help you get online, but they are built for very different purposes. So in this video, I'll break down exactly what each one does best, who they are meant for, and which one actually gives you the best value depending on your goals. So let's get started. Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform. That's important. It's not just a website builder, it's a complete system designed specifically to help people sell products online. From the moment you sign up, Shopify gives you everything you need to launch a store, be it product pages, shopping carts, checkout, payments processing, shipping tools, tax settings, and even inventory management. You don't need to worry about hosting, server maintenance, security updates, or performance optimization. Shopify takes care of all that in the background. This makes it especially appealing to beginners, business owners, and brands that want to focus on selling rather than dealing with technical setups. Shopify also scales extremely well. Whether you're selling one product or managing thousands of SKUs across multiple countries, this platform is designed to grow with you. How about Hostinger? Hostinger is primarily a web hosting company, not an e-commerce platform by default. Its main purpose is to provide the infrastructure that allows websites to exist online. With Hostinger, you're getting hosting, storage, performance optimization, security tools, and domain management. However, Hostinger also includes a website builder and strong support for platforms like WordPress. This means that you can create almost any type of website, from blogs, portfolios, business sites, to even online stores. But e-commerce is something you add on, not something that fully comes built in. So the key difference here is simple. Shopify is built only for selling online, but Hostinger is built for any kind of website with e-commerce as an optional setup. Understanding this difference already puts you ahead of most beginners. So let us talk about the main features of each of them. With Shopify, here are the core features. Fully hosted platform with no setup headaches, built-in product management and inventory tracking, secure checkout system optimized for conversions, multiple payment gateway options, built-in shopping and tax tools, ability to sell on social media, marketplaces, and also in person, advanced analytics and reporting dashboards, massive app ecosystem to extend functionality, and mobile app for managing your store anywhere. How about the features of Hostinger? Fast, reliable web hosting optimized for performance, AI-powered website builder for quick site creation, support for WordPress and WooCommerce, free domain and email on certain plans, SSL security and daily backups, unlimited bandwidth and storage on many plans, AI tools for design, content, and SEO, and e-commerce support through plugins with no platform transaction fees. But keep in mind though, e-commerce on Hostinger requires more setup. You need to install WordPress, configure WooCommerce, and add payment gateways, and also manage the updates yourself. So what about the pricing? There is the basic plan, a grow plan, an advanced plan, and a plus plan. The basic costs $19 per month, the grow $54 per month, the advanced $299 per month, and the plus $2,300 per month. But there's a start for free offer and you enjoy $1 per month for the first 3 months on the first 3 plans. And for Hostinger, there are different prices. The pricing for web hosting, for VPS hosting, the pricing for N8N, the pricing for website builder, domains, business email, and marketing. What are the pros and cons of using each platform? First, the pros. For Shopify, it's an all-in-one e-commerce solution, very beginner-friendly and has excellent scalability. It has strong security and reliability and a professional checkout experience. And the pros of Hostinger? Very affordable pricing, flexible website options, there are no platform transaction fees, and free domain and email on some of the plans. And the cons? For Shopify, it's more expensive over time. There are additional costs for apps and themes, and there's less backend control. With Hostinger, the e-commerce setup is manual and it requires more technical involvement. So which one should you choose? Well, if your main goal is to build a professional online store as quickly as possible and as easily as possible, Shopify is the better option. It's purpose-built for e-commerce. It reduces technical friction and lets you focus on marketing, product, and sales. On the other hand, if you want maximum flexibility at the lowest cost and you're comfortable doing a bit more setup, Hostinger offers incredible value. It's ideal for creators, for small businesses, or anyone who wants a website first and e-commerce second. So to sum it up, Shopify is best for serious e-commerce and fast scaling, while Hostinger is best for budget-friendly websites with optional e-commerce. There's no universal winner. The best choice depends on your business model, your budget, and technical comfort level. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Wix, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce and manage WordPress hosting. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.